When I first started Amazon FBA, I thought finding products would be easy. But to be completely honest, some days I found absolutely nothing. But after going like a few days without finding anything, without making any purchases, I would then find a killer deal and spend about like £5,000 within an hour, which then made up for all the days which I did not find anything at all. In this video, I'm breaking down how you can find real profitable products and what beginners need to know to win in this business. Now, real talk, you're not going to find profitable deals every single day. I know when you're beginning, you think you're going to find profitable deals every day. That's not really reality within Amazon FBA, especially when you're starting and you don't understand Keepa, you pass on deals. I've gone days without buying anything because every product I looked at did not make sense to buy. And that's because I just didn't understand Keeper properly and I did not know what a good product looked like. But once you get the grip of things, you can spend £5,000 on some deals throughout one day, which would then make up for the few days that you did not find anything. Now, sourcing is all about putting the reps in, all about consistency, not trying to find any magical product because that does not exist. People think when you're sourcing, you're looking for a good product. And to be completely honest, it's much faster if you know how to filter bad products out as fast as possible. Looking at a few points in a Keeper graph, you can then decide if this product is even worth diving deeper into. And you can only do this by perfecting your craft and continue to keep putting reps in, which then you will learn what a bad product looks like and what a good product looks like. And of course, the good products are worth diving a bit deeper into and testing a few units. So when you're beginning, don't get discouraged by not finding any deals. It's all about stacking your skills, filtering out bad products, testing a few units, and proving this business does work. And over time, you will build your confidence and you will see that if you have been putting the reps in, can find a never-ending amount of deals as they are all out there to find. It's just whether you know how to find them or if you know they're worth testing. My first 12 months, I was not sourcing very fast. I was checking everything deeply, and then I would spend about 30 minutes on one product to then just be like, oh, this is taking too much time. I'm not doing this. But now I can look at a product and I can think, oh, this is worth testing a few units. I'm going to pass on by. And I can normally make this decision within the first like 15 to 30 seconds of looking at the deal. But then again, this comes with time. Now, a good thing to do if you're a beginner and you want to build some good habits at the start, or if you're an experienced seller and you're not doing this already, this can apply to you too. Buying any products from these sites that you're visiting and you see that these sites are quite common for people to be buying from, what brands are selling well, what coupons are working on certain sites, what sales are active. Track all this data to begin with in Google Sheets, an Excel sheet. Just track this data and your future self will thank you. If you've signed up to some newsletters and you've got a discount happening at a certain site, all you have to do is go to your sheet, input this certain website, and if you know that there's products on here that are worth sourcing, you've got somewhere to start from and start spending your money as quick as possible. It is good to track your data like an operator from the beginning. It is important to build a database with brands, websites, coupon codes, sales that are active on these certain websites from the beginning so you can manually source these sites later on. What people don't realize is that online arbitrage, you basically manufacture your own margin. Say if you look at a product and it's like 5% return on investment, you don't even realize that there could be a 20% coupon on a certain website that brings this product down to a profitable price. Most full price items are not going to be a good item to buy. It is only when you add your discounts, you add your cashback, your discounted gift cards, that this product is now worth testing a few units of to see if you can sell it at a profitable price. Cashback is great. If you can remember to activate it, don't worry, we've all been there, bought something and not activated the cashback. Now I use cashback for short night stays in hotels. You can use it for gift cards. There's a range of things you can use your cashback for. And it's just an extra bit of money to earn while you're sourcing products. Honestly, it is great. It builds up before you know it. And I know some people even buy their shopping with it. Remember, you're stacking small wins over a long amount of time, not some miracle deals that are going to make you rich. Real sourcing is about stacking small advantages over a time. A coupon here, cashback there, a store you've already vetted that you know has good products. Winning sourcing is generally about systems, not luck. I can promise you sourcing does get easier if you stick to it, do the reps. You'll miss deals at the start, that's okay. We've all been there. I most certainly have missed lots of deals. You'll also waste time. I've wasted lots of time doing this. It's normal. Don't worry. There's like 1 in 100 that perfect this really fast, and the other 99 people, it does take a little bit, but just a bit more consistency, a lot of reps, and you will get there. Sourcing gets easier if you track, stack, and stay in the game. Now, if you want Amazon tips just like this, without all the fake hype, make sure you like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel, as I will be posting videos like this weekly to help you grow your Amazon FBA business.